Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to reorder Instagram highlights step by step. To do this, you just need to go to your Instagram and go to your profile, and as you can see here I have two highlights. The first one is called the new one and the second one is called the new to. So what if I want to put new to first, not new one? So to do this there is only one method until now, and that method is, as you will see now, is to long press on your highlight that you want to put first and click on edit highlight, and you should go to your stories and add a new one. Choose any one that you want to add. For example, I will add this one and click done. And as you can see, new to is first now in my highlights. So the only method to reorder your highlight is by adding stories to them. So when you add stories to them, the highlight where you will add the new story will be the first in your highlights. I wish that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.